Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ryan. Today we're going to be doing another video, but as you can see, something's a little different. So I'll tell you the story. Technically, my Chromebook broke, but it's now really broken. Yesterday, you don't need to know why it broke, but let's just say that yesterday I opened up my computer and there was a big crack in my screen. And now I've got to wait till July 4th because then there's a discount to get a new Chromebook. And then I'll be able to record videos. I can still record videos professionally. Not professionally, but goodly. But because I'm on my dad's computer now. And yeah, let's just play some 1V1.LOL. I can't play Fortnite because of, the glitch. There's a glitch. It's still on 60 FPS. It's pretty smooth. It's still on 60 FPS. Hey, that's not bad. I'm on Windows computer, and that's what's good. Sometimes it lags and goes down to like 10 FPS, but that's only sometimes. Otherwise, it's pretty smooth. Oh man, I'm on 1 million ping. I'm gonna change my region. I think I might be on the region Russia for some reason. I know that's not being abusive because sometimes my region just changes. Okay, I can't change. Oh wait, if I leave the game, I'll lose all of my. I'll lose some elo. Elo's like the skill-based matchmaking thing. You use it to technically get into lobbies with more sweaty players, and technically. Oh wow, this performance ain't good. Dude, just break the stairs. I cannot play on this, honestly. Dude, where's my dude going? Dude, it's all because of my lag, literally. I'm on US East. How am I getting 1 million ping right now? It's probably because I'm screen recording. It is, isn't it? Definitely it is. I keep on getting destroyed by these guest players. I'm about to get annoyed. If it's a mobile player, okay, yeah, I'm definitely not getting destroyed. But sometimes I get absolutely demolished. I think it wants to be. I think it's. Okay, I'm just gonna free build. What the heck, dude? I'm on. I'm on 222.6 ping. That's a lot of ping. Just me. Dude, what? Why can I not? Okay, really? This is so laggy. Someone's smooth. Literally. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game because this is not doing well. It's definitely not doing well. I don't know really what to do. But yeah, that's technically gonna be the end of the video. We played some rounds of 1V1.LOL.